Okay, my friends have been asking me that what is the secret behind your strong hair? Your hair looks strong, it doesn't fall. Tell us the secret behind it. So today I decided to start from scratch, showing you on what I do to my hair that it remains strong. So you need this is rice. This is my rice. I want to prepare rice water. This is my sufuria where I will put the rice water. This is my water in the jar. So I wash my rice. I want to wash my rice. Yeah. You also need orange. These oranges for you to prepare rice water. So this is me washing my rice. Okay. I'm done. So after washed, I'll just transfer the rice water to the sufuria, just like this. So this is the rice water I'm going to prepare so that I can show you how to make that strong treatment for my hair. So I need to peel these oranges. So I will only peel after these peels only. So I only need the peels. But my orange I will eat it later. See, you need to follow this carefully. Yeah. After peels, I want peels only. I will eat my fruit later. Yeah. So these are my peels. Okay, now these are my peels. Now these peels of mine, I just put them in the rice water, the water that I've used. So this one, I put them on this sufuria like this. So this one, I'll just put it on the fire. Okay, this is my rice water now boiling with the peels of orange. Let's wait for it to be ready. We have to wait it to cook properly. So we have to wait for around 30 minutes. Okay, now it is boiling. That is the mixture of rice water and the beans. Now it's boiling. It has boiled for the last 30 minutes. It turns like milk. So it is ready. Now I can remove it and sieve. After now it's done, you just come, you save it. I'm saving it. I'm after water now. You see, the pills now is here. Now these pills, I don't have any use with them. I will throw them away. I was in need of this rice water. You see, this is the color of the rice water, mixture of peels, orange peels, and rice water. So what I need to add maybe 1 cup or 1 spoon of olive oil, the one for cooking. Olive oil, I'll just add inside here. Hi, my lovely viewers. Meet the Lucky Mom Deborah is my name. Today, I've decided to prepare a video in form of a response to my viewers. Most of them have been asking me, what is the secret behind your hair? So I decided to show you that secret so that I can respond to your questions. So I had to prepare rice water as the first stage, so that I'll show you on how to use it. On this video I've only done how to prepare rice water. So in case you've been wanting to know how to prepare it, that is the magic behind my hair, the way it's shining strong. So you can watch the video. After you watched, you can subscribe. Once I do the next step on how to use it, you will be notified. You can like the video and subscribe. So let me take you through the process, and thank you for watching this video. May God bless you so much.